Hey guys, welcome to Vision Shares. Today's video is about investment platforms. ये लो, आ गया आपका फेवरेट वीडियो। हर बार पूछते हो ना कौन सा ऐप अच्छा है, कौन सा ऐप अच्छा है। ये लो, लिस्ट ऑफ टॉप 10 स्टॉक ब्रोकर्स इन 2022। Zerodha, Upstocks, Grow, Angel One, ICICI Direct, 5 पैसा और 5 पैसा, Kotak Securities, HDFC Securities, IIFL Securities, Motilal Oswal. And these are all paid platforms, and this is free. That is, you have to pay account opening charges and annual maintenance charges to use these platforms. Now, some may or may not have the account opening or account maintenance charges. It depends on app to app. Now, these investment platforms provide investment in various instruments such as equity shares, F&O, that is futures and options, derivatives, mutual funds, US stocks, and debt securities. Most of the stock traders practice intraday trading, that is of equity shares, derivatives, or F&O.